Why am I brushing my brows? Hold on. I can't stop. I can't. Okay, put it down. Hey there, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'm Samantha, and if you like what you see thus far, I would be honored if you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I upload, and I mean, if you're also feeling generous while you're down there, go ahead and give me a thumbs up too, because that helps me out, and it puts my face in your feed more often. And if this is not your first time seeing my face, welcome back, baby. All right, so today's video is, basically gonna be kind of like a get ready with me. I am finally gonna start uploading videos to my real estate YouTube channel, which if you'd like to subscribe, if you're interested in, you know, informational videos and property tours and stuff like that, I'll put the link down below so you can subscribe and all that stuff. Just stay here and then do it when this is over. Okay, I'm gonna be recording some videos for that channel, and to figure, well, I'm doing my makeup anyway, so I might as well record it and give my beauty people some content, right? I was gonna say there were no new products, but actually that is incorrect, because all the brushes that I'm using today are the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold brush set. So this is the only new product that I'll be showing off in today's video. All of the makeup and stuff that I'm going to be wearing today, it's not only all stuff that I've had, but it's all stuff that I've, like, you know, used on my channel before anyway. So yeah, just come along with me while I get ready, while I do my makeup. So if you're interested in seeing how I got today's look, keep watching. Okay, so since I'm gonna be talking about real estate in the video that I'm preparing for, I mean, y'all saw the look, y'all saw the ending look, you know what I'm saying? So you know this is a super neutral look. So today I'm gonna use the One Size Beauty Visionary palette. It's got a lot of really nice, deeper skin friendly neutrals and really good solid matte colors. So for my transition shade, I'm gonna go into Suede Charm Fluffy Blending Brush. This one's from BH Cosmetics. You guys will see a video. I'm not sure of when I will be uploading that video. It may already be up by the time this video goes up, but I'm doing a video where I'm specifically talking about this brush kit. So either check it out or stay tuned, one of them. So anyway, taking Suede Charm and putting that in my crease as my transition shade. So now to create a nice smooth gradient in my crease, I'm gonna go into the shade Booked using the same blending brush. I'm gonna take this thinner, slightly smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go into Brownie and put that right in my crease, starting from like the center of my crease, like the center, you know, going up from the center of my eyelid and blending that going outwards. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to the more densely packed blending brush with no product on it whatsoever, and just go over the edges, that space where my shadow is and my brow bone. I just want to make sure that that is all blended. Okay, so now for the lid shade, I'm gonna go into the shade Walnut Strut with my shader brush, and I'm gonna apply this wet. So I'm gonna take my Maria Badescu Lavender and Neem facial spray and wet my brush real quick. Ooh. And now taking the smaller blending brush and just going over those edges, the very top edge where the lid meets the crease. You don't want shimmers in your crease. I mean, unless that's the look you're going for, but today I'm not. Okay, now I'm gonna take the smaller blending brush and I'm gonna go back into Brownie and put that in my crease because I feel like I lost a little bit of it, just a teeny tiny bit, with the lid color. Okay, so now I'm gonna take same blending brush and I'm gonna go into Turban Legend and add just a touch of drama. I need to have a little bit of smoke. Now with the black, what I'm doing, instead of just placing it in like my outer corner and, you know, trying to blend it into the crease, I'm doing that too, but I'm also like going in circular motions and buffing that into that shimmer, that lid shade, so that there's, you know, somewhat of a gradient. It just doesn't go from like lid color, lid color, lid color, black. Just trying to blend. Y'all know me. Okay, so I'm not doing a wing today. Just gonna do some smudge liner on, you know, top and bottom lash line. So I'm applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline eyeliner in the shade Legend. And to smudge that out, I'm taking my bullet style smudger brush and I'm gonna go into Turban Legend and smudge that out. Okay, so to finish off my eyes, I'm gonna take my Waterline eye pencil from Urban Decay and I'm gonna kind of use this as a base on my lower lash line, but I'm not taking it all the way in. I'm only stopping it like a third of the way. And to blend that out, I'm using the shader brush that I use to apply my lid color. I wiped off the shadow on a paper towel first. Now I'm gonna take that same shader brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Booked. Literally just tap, one tap, because these are very pigmented. Matter of fact, tap off some of the excess. And I'm gonna buff this into the liner that I just put on. Now I'm gonna go back in with my bullet brush into Turban Legend and also buff that into that liner. All right, so for lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the Nars Precision Lip Liner in the shade Spunk. I still hate that word. And now for my actual lip color, what I'm gonna fill my lips in with, I'm using the Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipstick in the shade Goddess. Y'all remember, I love this color. Ooh, and this particular shade, this is a, well, for one, it's a very brown girl friendly nude, but it also, I think I called it like a peachy nude in the last video, or in the video where I was talking about these lipsticks. It's more of like a pinky nude and it's like a bluish pink because it makes your teeth look nice and white. And it's usually, you know, blue toned lipsticks that do that. So added perk. So now I'm gonna add my setting spray and you guys already know what I'm using. I use the same one pretty much every time I use a setting spray. The Bakerie Sweet Grace setting spray. This is also a really good alternative for those of you that might be looking for something to replace your Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Just putting that out there. Okay, so now I am gonna touch up the curls of my hair because this wig will not hold a curl for anything. I literally curled this hair right before I started this video, and I mean, these curls fell like the London Bridge. And I don't even want to tell you the copious amounts of mousse and hairspray that I used when I was curling it. I'm gonna figure something out. I thought about putting some flexi rods in it and boiling it to change the texture. If you like an OG weave and wig YouTuber, like, you know what I'm talking about. I might do that, but yeah, this wig don't hold curls worth. I mean, look at this. I did Shirley Temple curls on this wig before I started this video. That should tell you just how quickly and drastically this hair fell. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, that's better, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the look. I have been trying to think of, like new looks to do, but I figured, you know what? Well, I'm gonna be doing my makeup anyway because I'm shooting my real estate videos, so why not just record that look? You know what I'm saying? And, I get to show off, this new brush set, which I really, really like, but I'm gonna talk about these in another video. So anyway, if you've made it this far, first of all, thank you. Second of all, throw a house emoji in the comments. Trying to see something. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because, I mean, if you made it this far, you're enjoying what you're watching, right? Right. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I upload. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.